Okay, now let's talk about our hearts. We know that our heart is a muscle. Do you know what it does? It pumps. That's right. What is it pumping? It's pumping blood all throughout our body using two different things. Arteries. Can you say arteries? Great. And veins. Our blood carries something we must have. It carries oxygen, and it takes that oxygen all throughout our body. The heart pumps, and it sends this oxygenated blood through arteries. Good job. When our blood runs out of oxygen, it comes back in the veins into our lungs. That's where our oxygen is. It gets more oxygen, goes back to the heart, and starts all over. Great job. Have you heard of a heartbeat? I'm sure you have. Have you ever heard a heartbeat? Well, we gave you something really fun called a stethoscope. Can you say stethoscope? Good job. This can help you hear a heartbeat. So use it on someone else. You can put it in the center or towards the left of their chest and listen. What do you hear? Is there anything you can do to make it pump faster? What do you think? You could jump, you could run. Do that and see if it speeds up. Okay, now let's move on to our lungs, where the veins are going with the blood to pick up more oxygen. That's right. Our lungs are how we bring oxygen in, but there's something very important called a diaphragm. Can you say diaphragm? Good job. It's another really important muscle that squeezes and it expands our lungs so we can fill them. Can you expand your lungs? Take a deep breath. How much did you get in there? Okay, now see if you can hold your breath. Eventually, you're going to need to let it out and breathe in more oxygen. How about you do a fun game where you see who can hold a note the longest? La! I bet you can hold it longer than me. Good job. Now, get your body diagram, add your organs, and we are off to a great start. Good job, guys.